Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to open Settings and start the hotspot. Do it now. First, make sure cellular data is active and your carrier plan allows tethering, because without that the feature won't work. Once the personal hotspot toggle is on, check the Wi-Fi password shown and choose Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth connection on the client device. I'll explain why. The toggle advertises the network and the password secures it, so you can connect devices immediately. If the hotspot is on but missing, enable both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on each device because Instant Hotspot uses Apple ID and Bluetooth for discovery. Once done, enable Maximize Compatibility in the hotspot settings to broaden device support. This changes band and encryption behavior, which helps older devices. If discovery still fails, forget the network on the client, then rejoin. Or restart both devices to clear. To finish, try a direct USB tether. Connect your iPhone to the computer, select the iPhone network in System Settings, and tap Trust on the phone. This bypasses wireless discovery issues. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears saved Wi-Fi and passwords, so back them up. Also verify your carrier account and install any iOS updates, because outdated firmware or a blocked plan often causes a lost hotspot. One key tip: toggle airplane mode briefly to reinitialize radios before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.